हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम अभिमन्यु मिश्रा। जैसे कि हमने कल पढ़ा था चिपसेट के टाइप्स देखे थे, नॉर्थ ब्रिज एंड साउथ ब्रिज। फिर उसके बाद हमने पढ़ा था मदरबोर्ड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी। फिर उसके बाद हमने पढ़ा था चिपसेट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी। आज हम पढ़ेंगे मेमोरी। मेमोरी इज द होल्डिंग एरिया फॉर डाटा, इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड इंफॉर्मेशन लाइक अ माइक्रो प्रोसेसर एंड रैम। मेमोरी is a content on chips connected to the system board. There are three well known as types of memory chips: random access memory, read only memory and flash memory. Difference between RAM and ROM. First, RAM chips hold the program and data that the CPU is presently processing. ROM chips of informative stored in them by the manufacturer. RAM is called a temporary or volatile storage because everything in most types of RAM is lost as soon as the microcomputer is turned off. ROM chips are not volatile memory, cannot be changed by the normal user. RAM, it is also lost if there is a power failure or other disruption of the electric current. ROM IC contain BIOS and UEFI program. Types of RAM: SRAM, DRAM, EDORAM, RDRAM, DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, DDR5. Steps of identifying RAM: EDORAM, extended data out RAM. It's having a 30 pins and 72 pins. One notch in a 72 pins EDORAM. No notch is 30 pins EDORAM, frequency 64 megahertz. Second, RDRAM, dynamic RAM. It's having a 184 to 192 and 202 pins. Two notch available but very close, frequency 100 megahertz. SDRAM, synchronous dynamic RAM. It's having a 168 pins. Two notch available but in distance. Frequency 133 megahertz to 333 megahertz to 400 megahertz. Used in Celeron P3, P4, PC but pins CPU. DDR1, dual data rate. It's having a 184 pins, one notch present, frequency 400 megahertz. Use the Celeron P4 dual core pins and pinless. DDR2, dual data rate. It's having a 240 pins, one notch present, frequency 533 megahertz to 667 megahertz. Used in Celeron Pentium 4. D, dual core, core 2 due. DDR3, dual data rate. It's having a 240 pins, one notch present, frequency 1066 megahertz, 1333 megahertz and 1600 megahertz. Used in Pentium 4 dual core, core 2 due to i3, i5, i7 CPU first generation to fifth generation. DDR4, dual data rate. It's having a 284 pins, one notch present, frequency 2400 megahertz, 4600 megahertz. Used in dual core, i3, i5, i7 CPU 6th generation, 7th generation to 14th generation. DDR5, dual data rate. It's having a 288 pins, one notch present, frequency 2400 megahertz to 4600 megahertz. Used in dual core, i3, i5, i7 CPU 12th generation to 14th generation. RAM slot. There are three types of slot: SIM, RIM, DIMM. SIM, single inline memory module. RIM, rambus inline memory module. DIMM, dual inline memory module. RAM voltage: SDRAM 3.3 voltage, DDR1 2.5 voltage, DDR2 1.8 voltage, DDR3 1.5 voltage, DDR4 1.2 voltage, DDR5 1.1 वोल्टेज. Thanks for watching.